Alright guys, we can now create listings, we can view our listings, we can edit them. Now we just want to be able to delete them. So I want to put a delete button here, but it actually has to be a form because we need to send a post request and we need to send a hidden method to let the server know that it's going to actually be a delete request. So let's go to our dashboardblade.com and you can see we have our edit link here. We're going to put the delete form right in here. Alright, so I'm actually going to copy from, let's just grab the create listing form. Alright, and then we'll go and paste that in here. So this is going to go to listings controller destroy. Okay, and we want this method to be post. And let's also add a class to make it look like a button. So we'll say class. This is just an associative array. Class, and let's say, actually, you know what, I don't want to put the button class here. I do want to put pull left though to align it. Alright, and then as far as fields, we only need the submit at the bottom here. So we can get rid of all these. We need the submit and we need the hidden. Alright. So we get submit. Let's put the hidden right above it. This indentation's kind of screwed up. And let's do form hidden. Okay, that's going to take in underscore method. And then it's going to take method and then delete. Alright. And then for the submit, let's see, BS submit, and then the text is going to say delete. And I also want to add a class, so this is the attributes array, and we're going to add class and set that to btn danger. Alright, now I also want a confirmation here. So when we click it, it'll say, are you sure you want to delete this? So in the form, let's add another array value here. So we'll put a comma, and we're going to say on submit. So that's an error a function handler, not an event handler. And then we're going to set that to return confirm. And in here we'll just say, actually that should be double quotes. We'll say, are you sure? Alright, so let's save it. Reload. Looks like something went wrong. Missing required parameters for route. That's right. It needs an ID, just like we needed with the put. So we're going to add once again to this array. Let's go right here and let's say, wait, that's not where we want it. That's not where we want it. We want it right here. We're going to wrap this in brackets. Okay, and then we'll pass in here listing ID. Alright, hopefully that works. There we go. So if we want to delete 1, 2, 3 designs, we get are you sure? Click OK. And it's going to call the delete function, okay, which we don't have anything in. So let's go to our controller. So listings controller, and we want to go down to destroy. And this is going to be really easy. We're just going to say listing is equal to listing find, and then pass in the ID. And then we just want to do listing and call the delete function. Okay, and then we'll just redirect. I'm just going to grab this. Okay, we'll change this right here to listing removed. Alright, so now let's go back and reload and click delete. Okay, and listing removed. Good. So we now have full CRUD functionality. So in the next video, we're going to work on the front end because right now we just have this, but we want a list of all the listings, not just from a particular user, but all of them. And we'll also add a show view as well. Alright, so I will see you in the next video.